Totaling data in Excel doesn't have to mean writing formulas or dragging ranges around. In this video, I'll show you a built-in Excel shortcut that lets you total multiple rows and columns instantly, even with large data sets.
Hello again, and welcome to our Hints and Tips series. In this tutorial, I'd like to show you how you can automatically total multiple columns and rows in one go. So I've got this little spreadsheet open here. This is the practice file, and there's only one sheet in it called totals. And what we have here is data representing the numbers of flights that have left the UK for these destinations in column A across these first 6 months of the year in columns B to G. So what I want to do with these is add them up, and the way that you would normally want to do that is by clicking in cell B11 to total column B, and I would go up to the auto sum button, and Excel will then insert a sum function for me. If we enter that and then click and drag the fill handle horizontally, we'll be able to replicate that formula in the remaining columns. However, I'm going to delete that because there's a better way. All you have to do is select the cells that you want the totals to appear in. So in this case, it's B11 through G11. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard and press the equals sign. And that's it. That's the keyboard shortcut that will insert sum functions automatically for you. Now that works for columns, but it also works for rows. So if I go over to column H, let's say I wanted to total each of the destinations. If I drag down from H4 to H9 and use the same keyboard shortcut, hold the Alt key on your keyboard and press the equals sign. There you go. And if you want to check each of these, have a look, and each one will have a properly formatted sum function with all the correct cell references listed. That's a really handy keyboard shortcut, one that I use all the time, but I'm going to delete that again because there's an actually even quicker way of doing this, and that is just to highlight all the data that you want to add up. In fact, leave yourself a couple of extra rows. So there we are. I've now got B4 through H11. If I use that selection, hold the Alt key and press equals, that's an even quicker way of adding up data. So a fantastic keyboard shortcut. I hope you'll agree. So that's today's tip, automatically totaling multiple columns and rows in one go.
So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel. We have lots more Microsoft 365 tutorials on udemy.com, and you'll find a discount link in the description, especially for YouTube viewers. So I'll see you on the next tutorial.
Bye for now.